worn bellhop outfit, size XL.
Un vieil uniforme de groom taille XL, sans doute un déguisement du blond.
206. Could be a passcode, an address, or a room number.
206. Je pencherai pour une chambre, vu qu'on est dans un hôtel. Par contre, on en parle que James Bond soit le seul à pas avoir de mal à respirer dans le gaz. C'est parce qu'on a un masque à gaz interne. C'est Q qui nous l'a donné. Ce serait rageant, ouais, ce serait rageant. Ah bon, pas la voiture? Bah alors, Peugeot. Après Coca, sponsorisé par Peugeot. Un sac de lessive vide, de taille XL. Le blond a changé de déguisement, mais en quoi s'est-il déguisé cette fois? Ah, du produit. Oh, je sais pas, hein, il nous a bien mis des lentilles. Pourquoi j'ai saboté? Un peu con. Paf, c'est trop bien les gros bidons comme ça. Oui, il nous a mis des lentilles, alors on sait.
I'm back at my post.
Really?
Really. I'm in full view of the car park.
Good. Let's keep it that way. Stay vigilant.
You're the boss.
Must have taken the
Il nous a mis
scenic
des lentilles
route.
qu'on sait pas à quoi ça sert, mais on les a. Par contre, il dit qu'on est de retour au parking, mais on n'est pas du tout de retour au parking.
Silent alarm didn't
Voilà.
trigger itself. Check the windows.
I'll be damned.
Hey, Laszlo, look at that.
Yeah, I see it. Maybe the wind come. What the hell?
What is this?
Sorry, fellas. Desperate measures.
On a fini un défi tactique furtive. Il y a un mec là-bas. On peut casser une armure. Pousser un chariot. De toute façon, il n'en reste plus qu'un. Ça n'a pas suffi pour lui. Cassons l'armure alors.
What's going on?
Investigating.
Huh?
Ça va arriver de quel côté?
You there, my friend. What happened?
Très bien.
That's right. Move along, folks. Nothing to see
Ah,
here.
salut.
Monroe, I need your help.
Took you long enough.
The blonde man. He's changed his disguise. I knew he was up to something.
Yeah? How'd you know he's not a thief?
He doesn't move like a thief. He moves like a soldier. I'm telling you, something's not right.
Look, I might have seen a bloke who fit the bill. Tall, blonde. Only he was in a suit. Went by the name of Locke.
Where was this?
Over at reception, a little while ago. He was heading upstairs.
Thanks, mate.
Hey, you didn't hear it from me.
Merci Monroe. C'est vrai que partant de là, un masque à gaz interne du futur, c'est pas improbable. Bah oui, pourquoi pas. Propre, t'as vu? Incroyable. Je commence à comprendre les règles d'infiltration en discretos.
Chief, it's Crystal. Come in, Chief. Kovac, you copy? Strange. He's never a fine.
Des gens qui commencent à se rendre compte que qu'il y a des gens manquants. Alors, faudrait que je remonte encore un étage. Comment? Bah oui, tu m'agaces. Ça suffit. Je joue. Flûte alors.
I just overheard a pair of guests complaining about loud thumps and noises coming from one of the second floor suites. Room 206. What do we think?
Saying
Ah.
he stays in 206.
Mr. Locke,
VIP from Rhinestone Insurance. He's working with the hotel's chief of security.
Come
I
in, chief.
highly doubt that
Kovacs,
009
you
has spent his
copy?
exile selling
Thanks.
insurances.
He's never a flight.
I'd say it's none of our business. Copy that.
Room
Si, c'est nos
206.
oignons.
That has to be it.
Look, if you're so worried about Ezra's interview, can't you, grease the wheels a little? Donate a wing? Or at least some new outfits for the rowing team?
Par contre, comment je vais repasser pour lui?
Hello, the Naughty's called. Neo Preppy look like.
Come in, chief.
Need a way to convince him.
What the?
Competition is tough. I was king of the world.
What's up with that?
Suddenly I was up against the
Got to figure out what.
Hop là.
206
Devenu
should be
connu
right
Stamboul.
around here.
Post-op recovery should last a few more weeks. He'll be back
La
on
serrure de la
track
chambre a
soon
été
enough.
trafiquée, les
Brand new
cartes
knee and
d'accès
approved
sont
dog.
inutilisables.
Guess he
I
got
know.
lucky.
Looks like the birthday goat's
Maybe that's
smiling down
just
on
not
me.
to horse around on a
Oh, I should call
second
Yolanda.
voyage after a night of drinking.
Comment je fais du coup? Ah, il y a une conversation à écouter ici.
Pick up. Yolanda? No, just wrapping up. Actually, the lady in room 205 cancelled her cleaning. Looks like I get off early for once. You're right. I shouldn't jinx it. Tell you what, you guys go ahead. I'll meet you at the bar as soon as I'm done.
Faut que je fasse du pickpocket. Là, je peux pas saboter parce qu'ils sont pas loin.
No, don't delay. I don't care if he's at his daughter's sweet 16. Drop the hammer now and put it out there. The moment that press release hits,
Elle est
don't board
distraite,
them
là.
like rabid dogs. I've seen it countless times.
I'm with security. Do you have a minute?
How can I help you?
Qui se trouve à
Who
cette...
stays on this floor?
That's Contessa de Havilland in 205, and Mr. Locke in 206, and an English couple, the Macmillans, in 207. That's them shouting. They're really going at it.
Have you talked to the gentleman in 206?
Only briefly. Quiet type. Strange accent. Scandinavian, maybe. He checked in early this morning and declined all services.
Easy customer. Are the rooms on this floor connected? Communicating doors, adjoining balconies, that sort of thing?
Not unless you're willing to risk your life. One of our staff fell off a ledge recently. There was talk of putting up spikes, but the castle is on some sort of list, so...
Ah, say no more. I'll let you get back to it.
On peut passer par la corniche, donc il faut quand même qu'on... Faut que je la distrais. Son téléphone, je peux pas.
What was that?
Après, il y a le
Let's
témoin à
see
côté, là.
now.
Du coup, non? Ah non. ça
Apologies.
passe. 205.
What is odd? Well, it stopped.
On ouvre l'armoire. Ok. Récupère des bidons. Carte postale de Slovaquie. Un message torride griffonné au dos ou en prime une trace de rouge à lèvres. Suite 205. Dans 5 minutes, mon mari regarde le match. Comtesse DH. Ah ouais.
Bad form, Contessa. Bad form.
Du coup, ils vont dans la salle de bain, c'est ça?
Why, hello. Pardon me, Mom. Didn't think anyone was in. I'm with management. One of our guests lost his pet anaconda. We're going floor by floor. I'll take your word for it.
Go on then. Shut the door on your way out.
Right.
Ok. Je suis retournée parce qu'ils étaient en train de parler. Du coup, comment je vais pouvoir... Comment je vais pouvoir passer? Nous, on va aller sur la corniche. Si je suis caché. On m'a pas vu.
That was unusual.
Se faufiler. Hop. Franchi.
Now what happened here? Monroe?
Aye, Detective.
I'm in 206. It's a mess. Stay on the line. I'll have a look around.
This should be good.
Good fit
Musique
for
qui
a
s'emballe.
body.
Un plateau vide pour le service de chambre, d'après le reçu, monsieur. Notre monsieur Locke aurait commandé une tarte carélienne. Spécialité finlandaise fourrée de riz au lait. Oh, une tarte au riz au lait. L'édition d'aujourd'hui du Bratislava Weekly. Il porte le cachet de l'hôtel à la une, la mort mystérieuse d'un célèbre climatologue à Orlando, en Floride. Du savon.
Found a wool suit, size XL. This guy changed his disguise again.
Or he changed his outfit. Small word, big difference.
Il a encore changé de tenue. Le mec est trop louche pour juste s'être changé comme ça.
I found a keycard holder, minus the keycard.
Could mean anything, mate. Don't jump to conclusions.
Monroe, this isn't some party that got out of hand. These are signs of a struggle. And someone put up one hell of a fight.
If that's the case, where's the body?
Good question.
Dans la valise. Est-ce que je peux regarder ou non? Parce que j'ai pas retourné le truc. Protocole de sécurité de l'hôtel.
I found the chief of security's wallet. It's full of cash. Doesn't look like a robbery.
He might have dropped it.
In the fireplace? Monroe, this is serious. The blonde man did something to the chief of security, I'm sure of it.
Okay. So why? And how is this connected to 009?
Not a clue. Yet. Call you back.
Ouvrir la porte avant, on va vraiment sortir par là.
Housekeeping.
Jet lag. Gets me every time. A chef? How does he manage to change clothes so fast?
Anyone else feel that? Singh, talk to me.
I'm picking up some chatter about a power surge in the electrical room. It crashed the security system, but there doesn't appear to be any permanent damage. Nothing to indicate foul play.
Copy that, Singh. Keep an eye on it. Everyone else, step up your search.
Monroe, listen to me. The blonde man, the missing security chief, the power surge, 009. Somehow it's all connected.
Look, say you're right. What's his game?
I don't know, but Greenway said 009 is a master manipulator. If he knew what we know, he'd pull the plug for sure.
Okay. I'll look into it. Where are you now?
Back in the blonde man's.
That's what I call a trophy. Should have been a chess player.
You don't have the patience, Wu.
Where's it from, anyway? The Habsburgs?
French would be my guess.
Back in the blonde
L'avantage,
man's
c'est qu'on
trail.
peut se promener pour le
We won't
moment
slip
sans
away this
être
time.
vu par nos coéquipiers.
Anyway, it's lucky that the emergency generators kicked in. We'll still be out of power.
Security system still offline now. I'd call that a red flag.
According to the logs, someone went inside shortly before the power surge.
Must be the security chief. He's the only one with authorization.
Our security chief's keycard was missing. This is starting to add up.
Security system is still offline now. I've coded a red flag.
It's only a few minutes.
It's not my problem the scanners are down, and I can't wait
That's
for
him.
you boys to inspect every
Now what's in
single
those
element
crates?
by hand. I have a 12-course meal to prepare.
This is a direct security violation.
Relax. It's force majeure. It's not like anyone knew.
Mr. Kovac will hear about it.
He'll thank me at dinner.
Asshole.
Goodness, you really do know everybody. You ought to be with MI6. Maybe I am.
Où il est passé
Down
encore?
this way.
What happened? I was on a shift at the delivery gate and suddenly, bam! Cold sweat, stomach cramp. Barely made it back to the toilet.
Thanks for that.
Yes, Chef.
Yeah.
There.
I never touched the shrimp.
Gotta hurry.
You want me to respond?
Bond, your hunch was right. I found your missing security chief stuffed inside a laundry cart in the basement.
I knew it. Monroe, the blonde man smuggled something in on a truck while the security scanners were down. Something heavy.
Oh, this is bad. I'll inform Cressida. Don't let this guy out of your sight.
Don't do this to me, you piece of...
Pardon pour les assiettes.
Oh, he was just here. Went into the staff area. Didn't see him. Why?
You again.
That's right. The maid is picking a lock. Now you've seen everything.
Mężczyzna rasy kaukaskiej. Brązowe włosy ostatnio widziane w korytarzu serwisowym.
Well, that was close.
Don't get used to it.
James, whatever you think you're doing, stop. You're in over your head.
Yeah, tell me about it.
This is insubordination. Get back to your...
Knew it. There was something in those crates. Hey! Blocked.
Pourquoi il a crié? On est censé faire de la discrétion. Le mec il crie. Faut que je fasse quoi? Faut que je fasse demi-tour? Bah. Je comprends pas. Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Il y a une flèche en haut, non? Une flèche en haut. Ah non, c'était de la lumière. Ah bah voilà. De toute façon, là, c'est forcément quelque part par là. Il y aura un truc à faire. Je viens d'ici, je peux pas faire demi-tour. Je peux rien taper, rien prendre. Ça se pirate pas. Ah, grimper. Oh là là.
Stairs.
Je m'étais pas approché assez, je pense.
Missed him again.
Encore raté.
This is amazing. Don't think I've tried it before. Is it your own concoction?
I can't take credit, I'm afraid. The hotel owner has a huge collection of mixology books.
Ah, on va vraiment passer... Non, on va pas passer au milieu. Hein. On est pressé, mais quand même, qu'on soit discret. Est-ce que y a des trucs...
Impossible.
Il a encore disparu. Aubert de bouclier? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Il y aurait une carte encore. Qu'on soit discret, dit-elle en défonçant la porte à coups de pied. Mais oui, parce qu'il faut quand même qu'on soit discret.
Empty.
Chariot vide laissé par l'homme blond.
A secret passage.
Passage secret, évidemment. Dans une espèce de cheminée, on dirait. Ah, mais c'est là-dedans. Attendez, on fouille, on fouille. Donc, il faut du produit parce que j'ai fait des bêtises. On a trouvé un Aubert, peut-être qu'on va trouver d'autres choses. Ça a l'air d'être tout. On peut prendre ça ou je l'ai déjà pris? J'ai déjà pris.
6 dials. Take more than blind luck.
Est-ce qu'on peut voir les objets qu'on a? Le croquis. Une clé, carte de presse, briquet. Il reste ça et ça. Pas celui-là. Hop. Et après, ce serait quoi? Cochon... Ah, c'est des trucs à collectionner. Oh, il y a des trucs à collectionner. Oh, waouh. Ah oui, d'accord. Ah oui, puis ça, c'est les défis, ok. Résumé de la mission. Donc, concentrons-nous sur le croquis. On aurait la chimère, donc le lion, la biquette. La queue de serpent. Peut-être qu'il en faut que 3. Le lion, la biquette, la queue de serpent. Waouh!
Nothing to it. Monroe, status.
Wine cellar. I have eyes on the suspect. He's unpacking something.
Cressida?
I tried. She wouldn't listen.
Engage. Break cover if you need to.
I don't know about this.
Damn it, Monroe, there's no time to wait for permission. We need to act now.
This is the last time I'm saving your ass. Eyes on target. 009 just entered reception, heading straight for the Grand Hall. The blighter's not even in disguise.
Discrétion 0. Je passe à tout là. Alors, faut
I
grimper.
see him. Everyone reposition. Cover the exits. Monroe, what's your status? Monroe, copy.
He's busy. Cressida, you need to call it off. Something bad's about to happen.
James, what have you done? Where's Monroe?
Almost there.
Monroe? Monroe, acknowledge. Lennox!
Non.
Hang on, mate. Ah, breathe. Okay. Breathe. Monroe. Monroe. Cressida, it's Monroe.
Stay down.
C'est qui lui? Pourquoi ils font tout ça? C'est toujours ça dans les jeux, les films et séries.
I promise, this won't end well for you.
Et je pars avec B, hein. Je me prends tous les coups de la mort alors que je suis en train d'esquive avec B. Hein. Je sais pas, mais oui, c'est triste. En plus, c'était notre pote. C'est le seul qui nous a écoutés. Ah, peut-être rester appuyé sur B, parce que là, ça a marché.
Mr. Seal McKinney.
C'est quoi? C'est un boss ou c'est un PNJ normal, lui? On peut pas rester appuyé sur B, du coup, ça marche pas. Je pense qu'il faut juste appuyer au bon moment, du coup. C'est quoi? C'est une mine, en fait. Il a posé une bombe, le salaud. Vilain monsieur. Ah, désolé, Monroe.
Mr. Seal McKinney.
On lui éclater plein de bouteilles à la tronche. Mais... Chef de la sécu? Laissez-moi fuir.
I don't care how many of you there are.
No, pianokaisella kaveriani käy.
C'est galère un peu. Hein. J'ai toujours pas compris comment on paraît correctement. Ça a l'air d'être resté appuyé au bon moment. Mais... Un coup fatal. Oh, genre là, on lui a éclaté la tronche dans un truc de verre et il est tombé dans... Ok, c'est bon, j'ai compris comment on paraît correctement. Épée! Ça va péter, il s'enfuit. Oh la violence, ouais, c'est...
Calm down. Focus. Okay, where's the off switch?
La batterie?
Not this.
Ah. Carte mère alors.
Useless.
Les câbles.
Come on, which one?
Le bleu.
It is. Shit.
Le rouge?
Down to the wire.
Normalement, c'est jamais le fil rouge.
All the time in the world.
Ah.
A second device.
Oh, Cressida.
Cressida! I'm coming! Can you move?
James, I can't feel my...
Bond? Which way did he go? I blacked out for a second and the son of a bitch was gone.
009.
Of course, it was a bloody suicide mission. He used himself as bait to get to me and now... There! That's him! Bond, go! I'll take care of her. Don't let him get away.
I paid the price, James.
C'est parti. Permis de tuer. Oh là là.
Stop! Get back here! Bloody hell!
Vite, la voiture. Ouais, en bon James Bond. Toujours une course-poursuite en voiture.
Looking for these?
Ça va me donner.
Hold on. Just who the hell are you?
Not now. Eyes on the road.
Voilà. J'avais pas les yeux sur
I got it.
Look out.
le... J'allais passer par là du coup. Il est là.
That's the car.
Suspect en vue.
It's got too much of a head start. You need to cut some corners.
Careful what you wish for.
À l'état de la voiture, quoi. J'ai un pare-choc qui pend.
Ambulances, watch it. Pay
Hop là, hop
attention.
là, hop là.
She...
On peut lui... Tu veux que je le suive ou que je le rentre dedans?
Left, go left.
Heureusement qu'elle a dit va à gauche. Hein.
Brace! There he is.
Ah. J'ai vu qu'il y avait un message, mais attends, j'ai pas le temps de lire. Attends. Pourquoi il freine, lui? Non mais oh. La route est glissante. Hein.
Clear the road! Hold
Ouais.
tight.
Encore un coup pour faire tomber le pare-choc, il est stressant. En fait. Ouais voilà, c'est bon, il est entendu. Il n'y a plus de pare-choc. Attends, c'est la plaque d'immatriculation qui pendouille un peu. Ah bah merci. Bah, le jeu savait que ça allait stresser les gens. Les développeurs ont dit ah, on peut pas le laisser pendre trop longtemps. Il faut que ça tombe à un moment donné.
Who are you really?
Agent Sherlock Ross. I'm with the DGSE. That's
French intelligence.
DGSE?
James Bond.
Service secret
MI6.
français.
Yes, I figured as much.
What's your interest in 009?
Beckett didn't spend his fugitive years on a golf course. That's what you think. DGSE has been hunting him for a long time. This is the closest we've ever gotten, and I'm not letting him slip through my fingers now.
Sounds like we have a conflict of interest.
How about we burn that bridge when we get to it?
Fine by me.
Je crois qu'il est où? Parce que genre vraiment on le retrouve.
There. Pull over.
No sign of 009.
Plenty of his friends, though. I'm not loving the odds.
I've had worse.
Well, in that case,
Une arme à feu!
get down there, draw their fire. I'll flank them. We need to keep that plane on the ground.
Well, what are we waiting for?
There's that English sang-froid. Bonne chance, James.
Oh, avec la voix française et tout.